You can see it's not very smooth when you come back. There's some popping right there.